Do it again. Do it again. Can you say baby?
Baby.
Do it again. Go say baby. Is that funny? You say baby? Go say baby into the fan, Lewis. Say it. Lewis's carpet just got cleaned and treated for mold because the air conditioner flooded, so now it's drying out. Or it's not drying out, it's just getting the smell out. And he thinks the fan is very fun, apparently. Say baby. Go say it into the fan, silly. Hey, baby. Careful. Yeah, there you go. You turned it off, silly. Turned it off. Go push the button again. Here. You gotta push the button. Leave it alone, okay? Leave it on. Is that funny? Is that funny? And there's Miss Elizabeth in Lewis's crib doing her tummy time. Anyways, so there are our children. Hey, Lewis. And there you are. Hey, Lewis. You're playing with the fan. You show Daddy how you give him a kiss every day? What do you say?
I love
Yeah, he always says I love you. I usually don't have to say what do you say. But anyways, yeah, he does it every day. Sometimes he just goes up and picks it up and gives it a kiss. So, alright, honey, we love you. Lewis, can you wave bye-bye to Daddy? I wonder how long this entertainment will last. Can you say I love you? Say Daddy. Okay, we'll watch it. Just a minute. We'll watch it, okay? Say bye-bye.
it.